Concrete is an essential building material for the world. It is used in everything. It's been around since the Romans and doesn't seem like that interesting of a subject. But
the MD series trowels are a new family that incorporates the key attributes of our heavy hydrostatic trowels in a simpler, lighter weight version.
as concrete mix has changed in recent years, we are seeing that more horsepower is being required from the machines, and machines have continually gotten heavier and heavier, requiring operators to wait longer to get onto the slab, which causes stress from the crew because once it's time to go, now you're behind. So with the new MD series, we have taken weight into consideration and tried to deliver as much horsepower as we possibly can deliver. We have allowed operators to be able to get onto the slab earlier and control the finish of this process.
In the early design phase of these machines, engineering and product management work closely with contractors to figure out what they need in a trowel and incorporate those things into the new designs.
Contractor input is important because they're the ones that are out there using these every day. This has to reflect what they need and what they are seeing within their industry.
During the design process, being able to take prototypes and use prototypes on job sites with contractors has really given us the insight necessary to design the equipment and take them to the next level. M-Series trowels are extremely stable because of the six-bladed rotors and the low center of gravity. The six-bladed rotors gives you another advantage, and that is an additional blade pass for every RPM.
We wanted to ensure that we had consistent rotor speeds and the maximum amount of power to the floor.
The MD80 is utilizing the Vanguard 40 horsepower EFI, which was chosen for the MD80 series for the weight to power ratio. The dual engine Hondas were chosen for the MD105 to meet the power requirements for the entire finishing process, but also keep the weight well below what was necessary.
The MD105 is a different class of machine. It is lighter in weight by design. This is really the industry's first machine that is intended for deck work in a 10-foot platform.
The difficulty came in the frame designs. We needed to have something that maintained its rigidity, but was also lightweight to allow the operators earlier entry to the slab.
What sets the MD105 machine apart from other twin-engine machines on the market is our control system. We are an electronically controlled system versus a purely mechanical driven system. Our electronic system keeps things synced very well. Both engines operate seamlessly together. And most people don't know that it's a twin engine machine until they actually look inside the paneling. The neat thing about the MD series machines is this has a utility for the guy that's just the one-man operation clear through to the large contractor that has a massive fleet of these. These are specialized tools. They're precision tools, and we are constantly striving to make the best machine possible. These machines deliver that. They are easy to work on. They're easy to operate. It's really taken some time to get them down to as simple as they are, and they look simple. They are simple, but it's actually a more difficult feat than you'd realize.
I feel like what sets us apart from anybody else is the fact that the product team and even the design team are willing to get their hands dirty throughout the entire process. One of the key elements of being number one in the industry is our production team. everybody at Boise should have an immense sense of pride for their contributions in making the best machines in the industry.
There's little things that we do that nobody else can do. We are good at what we do. We know how to finish concrete. We take pride in finishing concrete. Concrete mixes are getting tougher to finish, and we continually overcome the challenges. I have a group of 18 engineers. We get out and we get our hands dirty, pull a screed, set forms, we pour concrete slabs. We're up to our elbows in hydraulic oil. We do everything in-house. We know how it works. We know how it affects the customer. And we produce a better product for our customer. What we do with the machines that we produce changes the world on how concrete is finished. We are the best in the industry because we want to be.